I love you. You don't need keys to drive me crazy. Yeah, I also don't need license to drive you crazy. Oh, what am I saying? Alina post चाहिएको. Okay, take your screenshots. Even if I give like the same pose every day, you guys always ask me for pose. You guys are so sweet. Bio? Remember my name forever, Horse Maya. Naruto 07360. Best wishes for your exam. Lots of love. May God bless you. Exam ramro garnu. Do well. Samir, thank you. There is something wrong with my cell phone. It doesn't have your number in it. Ah, is it? Should I send my number? I miss guys. Should I send my number? Will it fix your phone? Okay. Cherry, hi, love. How are you doing? Unica ko lagi pose. कहने को तो मेरा है पर मेरी सुनता नहीं कहीं ये तेरे दिल से तो चुप चुप के मिलता नहीं. Are you a heat? No, I'm super cool. Cool. How do I do it? Cool. Hello, Didi. Abhi Thapalia, lots of love. How are you doing? Akshara, hi, sweetie. How are you doing? Shamu Lal Dalami, hi. Simple Kar 81, hi. How are you? आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें. Please say hi, Cherry. Hi, Cherry. How are you doing? Unica, Has Maya. Okay. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I would put you and I together. You and I. You and I riding harless in Hawaii. I'm on a back, I'm holding tight. Hey D, it's my birthday. Kirishka, you sure Maya? Is it your birthday? साँच्चीकै होइन रहेछ भने फेरि कुट्टै खान्छ नि. मलाई सबैजनाले यस्तो फसिसक्यो नि यो बर्थडे भन्दै. अनि when I say happy birthday and they make a fool out of me saying कि दिदु आज मेरो बर्थडे नै होइन मैले रिप्लाई पाउनको लागि बर्थडे भनेको. Kirishka, is it your birthday साँच्चीकै Maya? If it is, then I'm super sorry for wishing you so late. Krisuka, oh, sorry. Krisuka, sorry. त्यही त म confused भएको. Krisuka, is it your birthday really? If it's your birthday, then I'm really very sorry for wishing you super late. I'm so sorry, Maya. Happy birthday. I love you so much. May God bless you. I got confused between Krisuka and Kirushka. I'm sorry. Praniti Khalil. Hi, Praniti. How are you? Excuse me, but I think I dropped something. My jaw. You're so good at this. Binuta, namaste. Hi, Selena. Suraj Ron, thank you for sending me football. अब यति राति खेल्नु त जान त मिल्दैन है, but then you're still sending, so thank you. Also, I'm drinking coffee यतिखेर because त्यो अघिको भिडियो एडिट गर्दा गर्दा यस्तो टाउको दुखेर नि मलाई. I was like त्यो हेरेको थिएँ अन्त मेरो त टाउको यस्तो नराम्रोसँग दुख्न थाल्यो अनि it's 10:45 PM and I'm still drinking my coffee. You have two options, family or $1 million. Which will you choose? You can't compare money to family. You can't compare. See, सबैजनाको आफ्नो importance हुन्छ. Money is important, but money is money. Family is family. You can't compare a piece of paper with human beings. Human beings are... they're precious. Yeah, money is important, but human beings are precious. They can't be replaced. You can't make humans yetigai, but you can make money, right? You can't make humans. So you can't compare family with money. If you would have said friends, I would choose money, but then it's my family. Family first. Hi, Subu. How are you? I love you. Sorry. Choose between money and love. Why do you guys keep comparing? I don't want to compare. I want both. I want money, I want love, I want both. Why would I choose? I don't have to choose. जबरजस्ती लाइफमा गाह्रो सिचुएसन ल्याएर प्रब्लममा पारेर दिमाग किन दुखाउने? No, don't. If you would a vegetable, if you were a vegetable, you would be a cucumber. Cucumber. Steven, alright, nice. Thank you. Akka, please say Suba. Hi, Suba. How are you? Riddhi Mishra. Riddhi Mishra. Hi, Riddhi. How are you? Mansha, hi. Coffee or me, Banum? Tell me the truth. Mo coffee choose garchu. You guys can't compare yourself with anything you like. You are a human being, right? Mo itto jon lecture diरहेछु कि you can't compare human beings with other one. Now you are comparing it with coffee. Seriously. How are you doing? I am doing super good. Super duper good. Can I borrow a kiss? I swear I will give it back. No, sir. I'm sorry. I was hoping to just get hi from you. Art100. Hi. How are you doing? I hope you had a great day. साँच्ची हजुरको क्रस नै छैन रिप्लाई छैन कफी और नारुतो दर्शन आयो अब एकजना फेरि कफी र नारुतो भन्दै कफी अफ कोर्स कफी हजुरको टिथ म जस्तै छ दिदी म जस्तै मतलब राम्रो यु नाइस राइट टिथ नाइस कफी खाँदा खाँदा ब्राउन भइसक्यो टिथ It looks brown. It looks yellow because of coffee. ए सुन्नु न के साह्रै राम्रै भएको आया that is nice. नदेखिने comment. Hey Sudiksha, how are you sweetie? अबुई ओ कफी भन्नु भो आया कस्तो मन दुख माया तिमीले आफूलाई कफीसँग कम्पेयर गर्ने हैन नि त you are much more important than me. Important than coffee. Important to me. Okay, you guys can't compare yourself with piece of paper or money or coffee or like no, you can't. Don't do it. You are my comfort person. Simple X Isha. Hi baby, how you doing? Shu or me? You guys don't understand this. I don't get this. Why? Hi Subbu, how are you? Didi, can you answer my question? Do you remember Pagun and Killer? Yeah, I do. Insta नै गयो मलाई फेसबुकमा रिप्लाई दिनु Instagram गयो What? Why? हस् म तिमीसँग मेसेन्जरमा कुरा गर्छु त Okay. Tell me the reason किन Instagram गयो भनेर One post a video. I feel like मेरो आँखा looks अलिकति tired, eh? I'm not tired though, as I'm super good. Hello, National Crush, Rajat Singh. Hi! This is so sweet of you guys. I'm not National Crush, I know, but like still listening it from you guys seems really nice. Who is this? Here just to show you my username. Okay, bye. You're smarty. Have faith and belief. Have faith and believe in His grace and yourself. Yours. Hey, baby, how are you doing? Kasto bhayo exam as well? I know you. Would you choose coffee or the cup in would you choose coffee or the cup in which the coffee is? This, my favorite one. It's hard, but I would go with coffee. Because आँखा चिम्मा गरेर पनि कफी खान सक्छु तर कफी मगलाई मात्रै हेरेर त टाउको दुख्न बन्द हुँदैन नि त I start getting headaches, like serious headaches if I don't drink coffee. Seriously, and I'm like super serious about it. बिहानको 11:30-12 बजेसँग if I don't get a cup of coffee, मेरो head will explode. फेरि त्यसपछि दिउँसो पाएन भने like दिनमा कम्तीमा पनि 2 cups, I need 2 cups a day to survive. Survive मतलब to be in a nice हेल्दी सिचुएसन मलाई टाउको दुख्छ एकदम ज्यादा त्यही भएर पनि खान्छु लिन्छु नि it's not only addiction it's very serious to me so I would go with coffee I'm a Mr. Brahma Mr. के थियो नामै मैले पढ्नै पाएन I'm so sorry Isha you're so sweet as a new look मारे new look कहाँ हुनु this is मेरो एकदम अल्छी लागेको look I'm wearing a cap because my hair looks एकदम ज्यादा oily and I haven't washed my hair from 2 days and it looks kind of oily त्यही भएर अहिले मलाई कपाल बनाउनु पनि मन थिएन because it's super late त्यही भएर I didn't really want to do my makeup so I just put a little bit of blush and a gloss and then that's that this is called my alchi look not naya look one more euta pose and then video record गर्छु okay done आजको कलेज लाइफ कस्तो चल्दैछ ठिकै थाहा भयो होला कस्तो चल्दैछ भनेर राइट You know your smile has been lighting up the room all night and I just had to come and say hello. Steven.cha, you're so sweet. Official BKs, hi, how are you? Angel Shriyan, hi. 1, 2, 3, Unique, I love you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Unica, right? La, मैले नाम गलत लिए क्या हो? I am sorry माया, मैले नाम गलत लिए हो. ल अब कमेन्टै गयो फेरि. त्यही त युनिका है 1 2 3 1 2 3 I love you Unica I'm so bad at this whenever someone says मलाई केही गर भनेर I'm like कोहीलाई कस्तो गाली गर्नु मन छ अरे कसलाई किन तपाईँ कलेज कि ब्याचलर I'm doing my bachelor but then we call it college I know the secret of your cuteness is coffee maybe it's Amanex Guru maybe यस्तै त मेरो दिदी भए हुन्थ्यो नि म हो त you can call me your sister दिदी भन्दा हुन्छ Unisha what's missing on beautiful and simple BEAUTIFUL SAMPL simple को spelling wrong भयो SIMPAL simple but it's you and I Unisha it's you and I college को bachelor के हो college को bachelor भनेको I think the gap between my fingers were meant for you like this for this that's sweet Avi hi Avi how are you doing एउटा song कुन चाहिँ song तू इजाजत दे अगर तुझसे थोड़ा प्यार मैं कर लूं जाने जा Unique Queen hi Suraj Lama hi Oh girl with coffee and black hat you truly look gorgeous Sabine thank you just answer this where is your VIP classes show it fast or I will unfollow you oh shit sorry I'm sorry I don't know where it is कता छ मलाई थाहा छैन अहिले I will wear it भोलि पक्का okay अहिले मलाई थाहा छैन if you wanna unfollow you can unfollow भोलि follow गर्नु when I wear it okay new song सुन्न नपाएर कान तडपिरहेछ रियालिसन हो र I'm so sorry तपाईको ज्याकेट देखाउनु it's not a jacket it's something like a cape माथिबाट हालेको it's not a jacket heartwarming voice Swastika I love you I hope your heart is good as my smile confused my heart is good it depends on you actually it just depends on the person in front of me because सबैजनाको different perception हुन्छ नि even if I do the same behavior someone might find it very nice and someone might find it very bad so it depends on you how you take it yeah that's it you Kharil me Kharil same Samikcha Kharil same pinch did you यस्तो राम्रै हुने tips चाहिँ it's just because you're sweet Maya I don't have any tips Where is my reply dinu bhako did? Hey Mamta, how are you doing, my love? Tell me how you're doing. Hey baby, I love you. Thank you. Hi Kushi, how are you, Kushi? Unique Queen, rate my PFP. It's nice. Isn't it Billie Eilish? Tia, I'm reply on there. Smriti, hi Smriti, how are you? Anita Acharya, hi, how are you doing? You are my rainbow in my rainy days. I love you. Unica wishes for exam. Best wishes, Maya. Ram's exam gonna do well. May God bless you. Coffee safe ma churot lina aunu ma sim. Huh? AJ it is के भनेको बुझेन मैले. I don't smoke. You shouldn't smoke. Dipu Bhavana. Hi Simple, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Mamta ko eurai maत्र comment haira cha किन Maya? You have your reply now. Hey Bunny, what's up? All good. How are you? कता बस्नुहुन्छ? काठमाडौँ नेपाल. Ria Nupani, I love you more. Simple Isha, best wishes for exam Maya. Bholi jati janako exam cha. You guys do well, okay? Study well. My phone is gonna die. Choose one. TikTok account delete or Insta account delete. No hate. Why would I delete my account? No, I don't want to choose between them. No. म त जबरजस्ती आफूलाई प्रब्लममा हालेर चुज गर्ने बेलामा छैन. ओके नो. मेरो बर्थडे नि आउन लागेछ अरे. ये एनी मायाको बर्थडे आउन लागेछ अरे. गुड. सरी टाइपिङ मिस्टेक सरी. ओके बुझेँ बट देन त्यो मिनिङ के थियो मैले बुझेन. शिवानी sis is your big or small sis? मेरो दी. She is my elder sister. म भन्दा ठुलो. Kirishka, भोलि exam छ साइन्सको exam. Best wishes Maya. May God bless you. You're smarty, भोलि साइन्सको exam बिचारा. You guys, may God bless you guys. मेरो wishes भन्दा पनि you guys need God's blessings, okay? God's grace actually, okay? May God's grace shine upon you guys. Best wishes. Hello, I'm late. Hi Anjali. Persibata what? Persibata exam. Srishti, best wishes Maya, do well. Katima पढ्ने म bachelor गर्दैछु. My exam finished. Yay. Focus on your career. Take care. Purnima, thank you so much. Simple Kyle forever. Hi. Anjali Tamang, hi love, how are you doing? Simple bro, ke cha mahol, remember me, Kiran. Hi. Hey bro, what's up? Siddharth, hi. Marry me. No. Couldn't call it. Shh. It's sacred. Milam, hi. Milam or Milan? Milan, call my name. Hi. So call out my name. Call out my name. Didi, love you. Samiksha, I love you more, Maya. Subhas, hi Didi, first time. Thank you for joining my live. Are you a dog person or a cat person? I am not a dog person and I'm not a cat person. Like, I don't hate them, but I'm not a big time pet lover. Like, I'm pretty neutral about them. Like, both of them. They're equal for me. I'm not that much of a pet lover, so I'm neutral about it. Anita, hi. I'm good. How are you? Sorry. Sijal Rana, hi. How are you? मलाई चिन्यो हिजो चोकमा भेटेको. म हिजो चोकमै गएको थिएन. कसरी देख्नु भयो हजुरले मलाई? म घरमै थिएँ हिजो. कति क्युट हो हजुर हो र. होमवर्क छैन दिदी रे. म रुकी हाँसु यो कमेन्टमा. होमवर्क दिने आया होमवर्क दिने के अरे गर्ने त गयो त मेरो त उमेरै गइसक्यो. आया we get assignments in our like college हैन तर त्यस्तो साह्रो होमवर्क भनेर गर्नु पर्दैन. सो chill. Kapil Vastu आउनु भयो. Kapil Vastu आउनु. Love from Kapil Vastu. Oh my god, I would love to visit Kapil Vastu. मलाई लुम्बिनी आउनु मन छ. आएको टाइममा आई विल इन्फर्म. ओके. आप नेपाल में कहाँ से? काठमाडौँ. Can I listen Shivani the voice because my name is also Shivani. The Bandishwari. Hi Shivani. It must be so awkward for her to say hi Shivani ke after name. Just अब कसैलाई मैले simple देखे पनि hi simple भन्नको software हो के. It's just awkward. Good night दिदी. Good night Maya. You'll not sleep अहिले हो. हिजो त राति मलाई 2 बजे मेसेज गरिरहेको थियो. म एकपछि I guess I'll be एकैछिन active on Instagram, so I'll talk with you त्यतिखेर. Okay. Study well Maya. बिचारा exam छ. I feel so bad for you guys. मलाई पनि coffee दे. अब सुत्ने माया. 11 बजिसक्यो. You shouldn't drink coffee. राति coffee खाने हैन. Especially this black coffee. No. Especially without sugar. No. You shouldn't do that. It's already 11. Wash your face and go to sleep. Hi shy baby. Who's shy? No, I'm not shy. लुम्बिनी आउनु घुम्नको लागि म एकचोटि आएको छु. यस्तो राम्रो ठाउँ लागेको थियो है. बट मलाई अलिकति अझै लाइक 1-2 दिनको लागि आएर बस्नु मन छ लुम्बिनीमा बिकज त्यो दिन चाहिँ म एकदम रसमा लाइक एक दिनको लागि मात्र आएको थिएँ अनि हतार भयो कि एकदम ज्यादा. सो राम्रोसँग घुम्नै पाएँ. सो आई रियली वान्ट टु भिजिट लुम्बिनी फेरि मजाले घुम्ने गरी. तिमी हो रोल मोडल मेरो सुन्दर. आकृति. हाई आकृति. Nirzala, hi. Do you believe in love at first sight or should I walk by again? You should walk by again. Okay, I'm done with my coffee. Abo, 2 minutes and then I'll go. Moshami, hi. Moshami Rizal, how are you doing, Maya? It's been a long time. Live ma देखेको थिएँ मैले. चैत्रमा सँगै जानुपर्छ ल दिदी लुम्बिनी रे. हस् के विशा. ब्रो तिमी कुन एनिमी हेर्दैछ आजकल? One Piece ब्रो. बल्ल तल्ल गरेर 700 एपिसोड्स कट्यो है. अहिलेसँग पनि आम स्टिल स्टक इन द्याट ड्रेस रोसाको आर्कमा. अब सकिन लाग्यो त्यो ड्रेस रोसा हाउ डु दे कल इट. इट्स लाइक वियर्ड. ड्रेस रोसा या त्यो आर्कमै सोसँग. सो अब चाहिँ बट मलाई One Piece कम्प्लिटै गर्नु मन छैन. इट्स सो नाइस. आई गेस आई स्टार्ट वाचिङ समथिङ एल्स. बिचमा खतम हुन लागेपछि चाहिँ हुन त अहिले पनि अन गोइङ छ है. सो खतम नहोला बट लाइक अहिलेको ड्रेस रोसा वाला आर्ट इज आई लाइक इट सो मच. त्यही भएर म बिस्तारै चाहिँ हामी हेरिरहेको छु One Piece. Neeraj, hi. Shy baby means okay. Shy baby means Shivani baby. Oh, त्यसरी भन्नुपर्छ नि त. Don't you feel sleepy, Didi? My sleep अलिकति late. 11 is not the time for me to sleep. मेरो like deadline would be it would be 1:30 बजे हैन. अनि the earliest would be 12. But he just I couldn't sleep all night. So that as I think I'll sleep early. Maybe 12:30 बजे. जडिसपुर लेक घुम्न आउनु ल. कपिल वस्तु आउँदा नेपालको सेकेन्ड बिगेस्ट. ओके. I would love to. म यस्तो मलाई आउनु मन छ. हेरौँ. कहिले महेन्द्रनगर नि आउनु. आयो भने I'll meet you. Paka. Sing a song tomorrow because I'm going abo. Come Pokhara. I'm really sorry, but I visited Pokhara asti bhakhare. I'm sorry guys, I didn't tell anyone. I'm really very sorry. म खासमा भन्ने थिएँ कि म पोखरा आए भने I'll tell everybody better. But I visited Pokhara दुईचोटि अस्ति है. अस्ति भर्खरै न्यू इयर अगाडि I went Pokhara दुईचोटि. So it was kind of a alikati sacred visit, so I didn't tell anyone. I'm so sorry guys. I'm really sorry. Next time आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ म पक्का भनेर आउँछु. Coffee is coffee. I hate it when people call it Americano, cappuccino, blah blah. Just call it love. Oh yeah, that is also fine. But then you need a name, na? Okay, guys, I need to go. Why your nose is red? Because I just put a lot of blush on my nose. That's it. How's about Nick Kshatriya? No idea.
We don't talk about
Like,
that.
no.
Live.
We don't talk about our cast in our live, okay? Not happening. Okay, guys, I'm going up. You guys take care of yourself. Thank you so much for joining my live. अनि त्यसपछि I'll come live tomorrow. Pakka, of course. अलिकति होइन धेरै चाँडो आउँछु because it was super late as I know. I'm sorry. Thank you for joining my live, guys. Good night. And त्यसपछि म पनि खरेल नै भएर सोधेको मैले बुझेँ आज खरेल भनेपछि हजुरलाई थाहा होला नि त राइट सोध्नु हुँदैन यस्तो कुराहरू लाइभमा आएर सोध्नु हुँदैन इट्स नट नाइस टु टक अबाउट दोज थिङ्स ओके गुड नाइट गाइज टेक केयर अफ योरसेल्फ मे गॉड ब्लेस यू एन्ड ह्याभ स्वीट ड्रिम्स एन्ड आई लभ यु गाइज सो मच थ्याङ्क यू फर जोइनिङ